Reading on the toilet. What should I cook them for brekkie?
Bluey, because watch this. I'm going to do it Bluey. Bluey, I'm going to do a jump. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, you crashed,
Bluey,
Bingo. What? Okay, just watch me now, though. Alley-oopa! Woo! That's how you jump.
Crash tackle.
Bingo, do you want to go play downstairs? Yeah.
Dogs allowed in restaurants now. Oh, great. Chili and I'll have to try that new French one.
Choo choo. Oh, watch this. Okay, now let's play crashing into each other game. Oh yeah, I like that game. Ready? Ready? Boing! Oh, crash tackle. Boing! Oh. Do that one again. That was funny.
Come on, my little Tasmanian devils, it's time to clean up in here.
Oh, Mum, I'm sorry, we can't. We're still playing. Yeah, Mum, look how high I can jump on Bingo. Ready, set, Girls, you've left the house looking like rubbish.
Can't hear you, Mum. Backwards, tally-ho! Choo choo choo. Oh, yes, and one down for the team.
Honestly, it's like we live in a zoo. I've got to teach those girls how to tidy up after themselves. Oh, what's going on down there? Those girls being cheeky? Let me see.
Backwards, tally-ho!
Yep, I'll go help Chili. Are those cheeky chops not listening? Ah, Bandit, the house looks like a rubbish bin. No worries, love, I got this. Hey, girls.
Hey, yeah, Dad.
I've got to tell you something, girls.
What, Dad? What have you got to tell us? Dad, we're actually playing.
Well, okay, I won't tell you then.
Oh, come on, mate, we want to know.
Okay. I was reading the paper on the toilet and then I saw a splash of sparkles and it was a fairy giving me powers.
What powers, Dad?
Super speedy cleaning powers. That's right, girls, your dad's magic.
What do the powers do, Dad? Well, it just makes me do everything really quickly. See? I just cleaned that up, you didn't even know. Whoop! Cleaned it up again. Look, Dad, I'm going to clean it up super fast. No, Dad, actually, watch me. I'm going to clean it up super fast. Faster. Okay, girls, you can both try. Give it a go. I just gave you the powers. Launching super speedy cleaning powers now!
Missed a spot, Bluey. No worries, Dad. Ta-da! Rockin' Wallabies, we're good, Bingo.
I know, Bluey. We're great. Excellent fast powers for cleaning.
Very impressive, girls. Wowee. Place looks spick and span. Mum will be so pleased with you.
Yes, girls, thank you. It looks amazing. I'm so happy that you tidied up after yourselves. Excuse me, Mum, but would you like us to help you tidy up anything else? We can do it really quickly. Yes, girls, why don't you come and help me clean the kitchen? I've just made you a scrumptious breakfast. Yay, I'm going to clean it up first. No, I am. No, I am.
Super speedy cleaners are a team, remember, girls?
Yeah, that's right, Dad. Come on, Bingo. Let's go and clean up the kitchen. Okay. Bluey, do you want to activate your cleaning powers together? Oh yeah, you can go first, Bingo. Thank you, Bluey. Oh, thank you so much, Bandit. You saved the day. I just really hate that mess, you know.
Yeah, love, no worries. Uh-oh.